Creating one superintelligent robot, a complete scientific breakdown. Scientists and engineers worldwide are working on developing a single, ultra-powerful AI robot that can think, learn, and answer any question within seconds. This robot would be built using the latest advances in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, deep learning, robotics, quantum computing, and supercomputing. Here's an in-depth look at how this one powerful robot can be built. 1. The AI brain, superintelligent artificial intelligence, AI. The brain of this robot must be far more advanced than today's AI. It must be able to process massive amounts of data instantly, think, reason, and make decisions like a human, continuously learn and improve itself, understand and predict human behavior. How scientists build the AI brain. They develop a neural network that mimics the human brain. They use machine learning, ML, so the AI can learn from experience. They apply deep learning, DL, to improve understanding and problem solving. They train the AI on billions of data points, books, scientific papers, languages, emotions. Example. DeepMind's AlphaGo learned how to play the complex game of Go by playing millions of times. This robot would be even smarter and learn about everything, not just games. 2. Advanced neural networks, AI that thinks like a human. To make the AI as intelligent as possible, scientists must create an advanced artificial neural network, ANN, that works like the human brain. How neural networks work. The AI brain will have millions of interconnected artificial neurons. Each neuron processes a small part of information. The AI analyzes patterns, makes connections, and learns just like a human brain. Over time, the AI improves itself and becomes smarter. Future upgrade, Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Today's AI is narrow AI, it only performs specific tasks. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is the next step, an AI that can think, reason, and understand everything like a human. This robot would be the first real AGI in history. 3. Supercomputer processing, AI that thinks instantly. A powerful AI needs supercomputers to process massive amounts of data instantly. How AI supercomputers work. They use millions of processors to calculate information at high speed. They run on advanced microchips, like NVIDIA's AI GPUs and Google's TPUs. They store and retrieve trillions of data points in milliseconds. Quantum computing, future tech, will make AI millions of times faster. Examples of AI supercomputers. IBM Watson can read and analyze medical research faster than humans. Google's DeepMind can predict protein structures in biology, huge for medicine. Fugaku, Japan, one of the fastest supercomputers today. This robot would be more powerful than all of these combined. 4. The robot's physical body, advanced robotics and materials. If the robot needs a physical body, it must be strong and durable, fast and flexible, lifelike in appearance, if humanoid. Materials used. Titanium and carbon fiber, super strong yet lightweight. Artificial muscles, flexible materials that can contract like human muscles. AI-powered motors, give precise and smooth movement. Sensors and cameras, help the robot see, hear, and understand the world. Synthetic skin, silicone or graphene if the robot needs a human-like appearance. Example. Boston Dynamics Atlas robot can walk, run, and even do backflips. Tesla bot is being designed to help with daily tasks like carrying objects. This robot would have an even more advanced body than these. 5. The robot's voice and communication, perfect human interaction. For the robot to communicate effectively, it needs natural language processing, NLP, and emotion AI. How the robot will communicate. Speech recognition, understands spoken words in any language. Text-to-speech, converts AI thoughts into a human-like voice. Emotion AI, detects human emotions and responds appropriately. Body language reading, uses computer vision to understand facial expressions and gestures. Example: Sophia the robot can talk and recognize human emotions. GPT-4 and ChatGPT can hold conversations, but this robot would be even better. 6. Decision-making and problem-solving, a truly smart AI. To make decisions like a human genius, the robot must be able to analyze multiple solutions, predict outcomes, solve complex problems instantly. How AI solves problems. Reinforcement learning, the AI practices and improves over time. Big data analysis, the AI scans billions of data points to find solutions. Logical reasoning, the AI considers all possible options before making a decision. Example: AlphaZero, AI chess engine, can defeat any human in chess. This robot would be able to solve global problems like climate change and disease. 7. AI safety and ethics, preventing danger. A superpowerful AI must be controlled to ensure it doesn't harm humans. Safety measures. Ethical programming, AI follows human values and morals. Kill switch, a manual shutdown in case of malfunction. Cybersecurity, protects AI from hacking and misuse. Legal restrictions, governments will regulate AI's power. Example: Asimov's 3 laws of robotics ensure AI does not harm humans. OpenAI and Google DeepMind are working on AI safety research. 8. The future of the super AI robot, what it can do. Once built, this one powerful AI robot could solve humanity's biggest problems, cure diseases by analyzing medical research, predict and prevent natural disasters, develop new energy sources to stop climate change, help people in everyday life, be the ultimate AI assistant, better than Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT, help elderly and disabled people with daily tasks, teach and educate students in every subject, explore the universe, help astronauts on Mars and deep space missions, discover new planets and galaxies, communicate with possible alien civilizations. Final conclusion: the birth of the ultimate AI robot. Many scientists working together can create one superpowerful AI robot by combining artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, supercomputing, and quantum AI. This one robot would be the most intelligent and capable machine ever created, a true artificial general intelligence, AGI, that could revolutionize human civilization.